How to leave a review on Facebook Marketplace. So to leave a review, you must first have completed a transaction with the seller on Facebook Marketplace. Then go to the Marketplace inbox, open up Facebook app, and then tap on your profile picture. Then tap on the Facebook Marketplace. Alternatively, you can scroll down and click on See More, and then find the Facebook Marketplace icon. In the Marketplace, tap on the person's icon, and then tap on the inbox to review your previous conversations and transactions. Then select the conversation, find the message thread with the seller you want to review. Then rate the seller, tap on More Options. Within the message thread, if the option is available, select Rate Seller. Confirm whether you bought the item, and then leave a star rating in comments. Give the seller a star rating from 1 to 5 stars based on your experience, and provide specific feedback by selecting reasons for your rating, such as communication or punctuality. Then click Submit to post a review. Important notes is that the Rate Seller option may not appear for all transactions, possibly based on Facebook's algorithm or whether contact information was exchanged. Reviews are public and help other buyers make informed decisions. Subscribe.